We're working inside today, not because it is so terribly cold outside. There's just nothing to do out there. But check out this amaryllis. It's just finishing up. It's been blooming for a couple weeks. It's a variety called Legend from White Flower Farm. And when these two are done, which is very close, probably 2-3 more days, look at this bud. It is ready to go. It's going to bloom for me. And then behind here, this is one called Rebecca. And it's the only fragrant amaryllis I've ever heard of. I've never seen one bloom or smelled one bloom. I can't wait. All right, we've got more work inside. We are going to plant up an amazing container that anyone can do for growing on the windowsill. Indoor plants like that amaryllis are what keep me going during this off season. I can't wait for spring. How many videos have we done already this winter where I said I can't wait for spring? We're going to plant this container for the windowsill with succulents. Succulents can take anything except too much water. As long as we keep them dry, they're going to just thrive. About 5 years ago, I planted up another container for the windowsill, and I've enjoyed it every year since. It's just an absolutely wonderful thing. When we get to the gardening season and they get neglected, I'm working outside all the time, no problem, because the succulent can take anything. I love these containers because it fits perfectly on the windowsill, and then down below, it's got that little lip on there where it's going to catch any water, so we don't have to have anything underneath there like a dish or something. And so whenever we plant a container, we always do a thriller, a filler, and a spiller. You've heard me say that countless times, and our thriller is this snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue because it's sharp, and it's called Sansevieria, and it's going to go in the very middle. That's going to be our thriller. And snake plant's been around forever, and if you just let it stay dry, it's going to be happy, and it's going to grow for year after year after year. Okay, filler. This is some type, I think it's some type of jade plant. And we'll put it next to it here, and we'll leave some room in the front for our spillers. Put one of the fillers in each corner. That looks good. These are all succulents, so they don't really need anything from us. I got them at Quality Gardens. They have an amazing selection. I had so much fun walking around the greenhouse looking for plants. This is a cool one. This is called String of Bananas. You know, you've heard of String of Pearls probably, but String of Bananas just has these little things, that's a technical term, that spill over the side. You know, with most succulents, you can also make more just by, you know, I pull off that little banana, stick it in the soil, and you'd have another plant. That looks good. And again, the spiller just kind of softens the edges. Looks good. And one more here. And we'll put that right down in here. I'm making a mess on the dining room table, but it'll be all cleaned up before the boss gets home. There we go. That's all there is to it. And this is something that I said, like I said, will last for years. Good project for you as a gardener. You're getting your hands dirty, for kids, grandkids, and something that is going to last for you. All right, that's it. That was easy, huh? We're going to put it on the windowsill, give it a little water, and then finish up. Just need a little bit of water, not a lot, just to get them started. And I keep all the spillers on this side so we can see them. Maybe in about a month or two, I might spin it around for a little bit, but back and forth. I think it turned out good. Be sure to check out everybodygardens.com for lots more gardening information, blog posts, videos, stories, and more. Until next week, I'm going to wait for that amaryllis to bloom. We'll see you then.